Yo, what's up guys? We're here today in Muscleworks. We're about to have a beautiful, wonderful, the sickest, dirtiest leg session ever. So pray for us. And I'm with my bestie, Mel.
Yo!
So Mel, what are we doing today?
We are doing glutes and quads, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, glutes and quads.
Well, we say that now without us collapsing down the stairs. But yeah, we're doing glutes and quads. So I hope you enjoy it as always, guys. And we'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.
Should we go up again? Huh? I don't know if I can stack it. Have you stacked it before?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever done it though. Should
Yeah, I don't think you have.
I've never even done 85, I don't think.
No, I don't think you have.
Fucking beast
Even
mode.
your boulders are, the rears are rearing.
What's that?
Says the
My
rears are
body?
rearing. Yeah, I can see the rears are rearing.
Wow. Now. Easy reps. Let's go. Yeah. And again. Let's get it. Easy. Reps for days. Yeah, they need to be tired.
I might do a 10 each side.
Yeah, I reckon you can.
Yeah, I think I can.
That looks easy.
I think I can. Focus, let's go. Yes! Up! Yes! Let's go, and again. Let's go, Mel. Up, and again. Yes! And again, come on. Yeah! And again, come on. That's it, A-game. Let's go. One more, come on. Let's go, let's go. Up, up, up.
Another one.
Yes, let's go. Yeah!
Another one.
Yes, let's go. And up.
One more.
Let's go. Nice. Ah.
Again.
Let's go. Come on. Fucking let's have it. And again. Nice. There you go. Sick.
Fuck.
Who needs a hype woman? Who needs
How
a
many was that?
I don't know. I kept screaming for you.
I only got one last week.
Oh, she went to Arnold's.
Mate, you're a fucking legend.
I gave you all my energy, fam. I'm literally. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was a good set.
I only got one last week.
Yeah.
I was like, that's fucking, I can't have that.
That's so good.
Oh! Woo!
Because I ain't gonna
Let's
listen.
fucking have it!
Let's have it.
Let's fucking have it! Right, let's go. Yeah, come on! Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, come on, get it! Let's go, girl. Come on! Yeah, up.
Fucking
was
hell.
that?
3. Oh,
Like all of that.
I could have done more.
You could have done more.
I could have. I just freaked out
I
a
barely
little
even was
bit.
touching on the last.
You wasn't. Oh, I could have, but then I was like, I paused.
No, you could have got it.
Yeah, you're right. I could have got it, people, but don't you worry. We're
Next
back
time.
with Eric, in 2 weeks' time, and I promise you, I'm
She's
gonna
doubling that next time.
No, I am.
Tripling it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 6 next time, but I'm happy that I did this. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's better than last week.
I said 2, now I've done 3.
Yeah, last week.
And I
you
didn't do none.
Last week, yeah. It was...
Let's have it.
Someone on prep can't handle that kind of energy.
What did he say? Did you catch that though? Please put that on the YouTube channel and tag him in. No, I could have done more, but where I just like a bit, it wasn't smooth. It's a bit rusty.
Yeah, but you would have been fine for another couple of reps.
Yeah. Okay, next time.
Next time.
Yeah, next time,
Next
my
time,
G.
next time, next time.
Next time, scream my ear a little bit louder.
Can you scream louder?
Yeah, scream louder
Okay.
and hit me. Just go, come on, bitch.
You fucking pussy!
No, I'm okay, fine. That's all right. Mel, what else do you want? Oh, okay, 1 minute. Oh. Then a turn comes out.
Yeah, sometimes you feel like
No,
it's
you
gonna happen.
do.
Last week I actually thought it was gonna happen.
Yeah, no, next time I'm gonna do more than that, 100%. But you know what? It's good.
Yeah, it's still good.
Good. Guys, it was a session to friggin' remember. I had such a good time. There was times where me personally, I thought I needed to go to the toilet more than once. You see what I'm saying? And it was through the soul. Like seriously, it was a lot. So I hope you enjoyed watching this little episode of me and Mel. And Mel,
Check the squats, yeah?
how well did you
I
do?
don't know how well the squats were.
The squat was 10-10 and it was ass to grass, brethren. It was ass to grass. Stay tuned, I'll be back. Bye-bye.